Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in. It's time to juice our giant watermelon for best hydration and cleansing. Woo! Look at the size of this watermelon. Leave a comment for me in the comment section. Now, I didn't get a chance to weigh it because I didn't have a weighing scale that could carry it, but I must say it feels more like a 5 kilo watermelon. Honestly, that big. So I was going to have a very busy week ahead and I wanted a way to bulk juice. Batch juice enough to last me for the week. I also was expecting some guests and I thought what better way to honor them than to make this super hydrating, most refreshing, so detoxifying, cooling, tasty, giant watermelon juice, palatable to even a non-juicer, a potential juice lover. After all, they'll be visiting Juicing Julie. This feels like bathing a new baby. Anyway, we know that clean hands, clean utensils, and clean ingredients are essential for safe wellness juice. Wow, the size of this. We actually paid £18 for this giant watermelon. Watermelon is made up of 92% of water, but it's not just ordinary water, but water that is balanced with relevant electrolytes that is super hydrating for hot and warm days or summer months. It's also loaded or rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and other relevant electrolytes like potassium, which is known to improve heart health, skin health, reduce inflammation, and reduce the impact of aging on our skin. So yeah, watermelon is your go-to for pure hydration and refreshment. I have to check, is this really tasty? Is that big? Oh my god, it is tasty. It is, I'm happy. Yeah, so watermelon is tasty and this one is so yummy in spite of its size. It's also very delightful in color, as you can see. So if you're looking for a party favorite that is healthy, then watermelon and some of these ingredients I'll be combining in this juice will make a party favorite for non-juicers. So keep watching. This is my extra shred. I couldn't resist having a few more bites. It was so yummy. After all, a laborer is worthy of his wages. In this particular recipe, I'm going to be taking off the peel. I have another recipe, I think it's 2 videos before this, I included the peel. You can include the peel, it contains a lot of nutrients. But I'm saving the white part of it, if you notice, because that will be good for the guys. If you know what I mean. You can choose to juice it with the peel or not. Either way, it will make a tasty, yummy juice. But without the peel, the color will be very vibrant. The color will be a bit dull with the peel. So I choose to take it off in this case because I want the color to be inviting, especially for the non-juicers. You see the secret? So the next ingredients I've chosen are red apples, as you can see. Knowing that apart from bulk juicing to meet my weekly requirements, I'm also going to be entertaining non-juicers. So I'm targeting their taste buds to make this juice as tasty and healthy as possible. That way I could convert them to juicers. And of course, an apple a day keeps you away from the doctor. That is because apples are rich in soluble fiber that are great for gut health. It has relevant nutrients that help promote heart health, natural sweetness that helps to stabilize blood sugar, and loaded with antioxidants that helps promote brain function. Variety, they say, is the spice of life, so I've chosen to balance out the sweetness of watermelon and apples by adding limes. And lime is rich in vitamin C that will help to promote skin health, make the skin glow, boost immunity, help to balance out and flush out toxins from our liver, our gut health, and of course, will add a tangy taste or flavor to the juice. And now, let's give honor to whom honor is due. Odogu Ginger is in the building. Let the ginger you up. Yes, loaded with anti-inflammatory and antioxidants that help to kickstart our metabolism, add a spicy kick to the juice, and take this juice from this level to this level. You know what I mean? Ginger is great for digestive health. It also helps to reduce nausea. It is good for relieving of muscle pain. All of this naturally. So let the ginger you up. And to further enhance the flavor and potency of this juice, I have added fresh mint leaves. Fresh mint leaves are great to add that extra flavor, that calming effect. It helps to soothe digestive health. It has relevant properties that helps to keep oral health in check and promotes the general aroma of this juice. I'm also adding fresh parsley to this mix. Now, I'm not going to be juicing all one flavor. If you know me, I love variety. So I'm going to be splitting this juice into two halves. Some will have the minty flavor, others will have the parsley flavor. That way, during the week, I don't have the same exact juice flavor throughout, if you know what I mean. And you know, parsley is also very healthy, very soothing to the digestive system, also prevents bloating, has a lot of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help flush out toxins from our kidneys and our liver. It's a natural detoxifier. And look, just take a look at the combination of wellness all ready for juicing. Look at the color effect. Make food your medicine. Again, I say, make food your medicine. Now, I have two other dry ingredients I'll be adding to boost the flavor, the aroma, and the potency of this juice. So just keep on watching. I hope you're enjoying this video and you're finding it insightful. Don't forget to like, leave me a comment. I love to hear from you, and it does help the video. Subscribe if you have not. Share. Let's keep watching. Now for this batch of juice, I'll be adding the star anise. Look, the aroma of star anise is on another level. So if you've not tried it, then check out your local groceries and buy yourself star anise. It's also very nutritious. You will thank me later. And as usual, watermelon did not disappoint. Before I could say juice, I was already having an overflow of juice coming through. It smells so good. So we have about that. We need to empty. We have over 450. Told you there was juice everywhere, like the production was on another level. That glass of good health, make food your medicine. We have to get this, so I have to stop this. So the first batch is done. Now I'm into the second batch, which will contain the parsley. So keep watching. Another dry herb I'll be introducing to you shortly. So for this batch of juice, I'm adding dry cloves. Now cloves complement well with ginger, and together they'll be making this juice extra special and extra healthy. It is loaded also with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties. It helps boost oral health and gives an earthy flavor to the juice. I added approximately half a teaspoon. Do you be you? At this point, all my catchers were full. I had to improvise by using a pot with a funnel edge to catch the rest of the juice. It was juice galore, thanks to a giant watermelon. So we are done juicing and it's time to store. And I tell you, it wasn't easy at all trying to get them all contained. But I tell you, this is not your ordinary juice. This is our super healthy juice made with fresh fruits and vegetables plus exotic herbs that will keep you healthy, super refreshed, super well hydrated, cooling, calming with a summer vibe to it. made from all natural fresh ingredients that are readily available in your local grocery. No preservatives, no additives. Pure juice for general wellness. Palatable for beginner juicers or potential juicers. Suitable for everyone. Remember, if you have any medical needs, consult your doctor. But I tell you, and I remind you again, make food your medicine. For the next week, we didn't have to look for juices. I had two versions of my juice. My friends thoroughly enjoyed it. And I hope I have managed to convince them with this super hydrating summer vibe juice for a nice warm weather. Would you be trying this juice? Let me hear from you in the comment section. And at this point, if you've not liked this video, then please like it, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, and until I see you in my next video, again I say, make food your medicine. Bye bye.